Hello guys, you are welcome on Flexer. Today in this lecture we will discuss singular point. This topic is our in mathematical physics. So firstly we move on our motivational thought. तो our motivational thought is अगर खुद से नहीं हारे तो जीत निश्चित है. So let's start our topic. What is singular point? Singular point are those points at which the function is not analytic. Not analytic means our CR equation is not satisfied in this function. So we call our function is not analytic. So these point at which our function is not analytic. These points are called singular points. So types of singular point: first is isolated and second is non-isolated singular point. So what is isolated singular point and what is non-isolated singular point? So isolated singular point are those singular points there is no other singular point in the infinitesimally small neighborhood about at z is equal to 0. Means at that point there are no exist other in this neighborhood, other singular point no exist. And non-isolated singular point are those singular point at which the singular point exists in neighborhood. Means at z is equal to 0 there are other singular point in infinitesimally small neighborhood about z is equal to 0. Means at z is equal to 0 other point also exist in neighborhood. So further we will discuss isolated singular point also further divide in three types. First is essential isolated singular point, second is non-essential isolated singular point or pole, or third is removable isolated singular point. So firstly discuss isolated essential singular point. What is isolated essential singular point? So we will discuss. So we have to discuss isolated singular point. Firstly we will discuss Lorentz series. What is Lorentz series? Lorentz series are those series which contain negative power and positive power both exist in our series. Z minus a, this represent positive power, and z minus a, this represent negative power. So this second term is called principal part of expansion. So now we will discuss isolated essential singular part. So remember our what is our principal part. This is our principal part. So our definition is isolated essential singular point is if a principal part of Lorentz series expansion contain infinite number of negative power terms of z minus a, then z is equal to a is isolated essential singular point. Means principal part contain infinite number of terms. 1 upon z minus a contain infinite number of terms. Means n tends to infinity. So those points are called isolated essential singular point, and non-isolated essential singular point are called those point isolated poles. And what is isolated poles? Contain finite number of negative power terms of z minus a, then z is equal to a is a non-essential singular point or pole of f of z. So in this type, our principal part contain finite number of terms. Z minus a is equal to n tends to finite number of terms. So these singular point are called non-essential singular point or pole. Now we will discuss order of pole. Order of pole is the highest negative power present in Lorentz series expansions will be order of pole, means 1 upon z minus a whole power of n. So n here, n is represent order of pole. Now isolated removable singular points. Our principal part not contain negative powers, means z is equal to a whole power n is absent in our principal part or series. So we called our isolated points are removable singular point. F of z contain no negative power terms of z minus a, then z is equal to a is a removable singular point of f of z. So in this lecture all points are discussed. Firstly, what is singular point, next isolated singular point, non-isolated singular point, and isolated singular point are further divided three types: essential isolated singular point, non-essential isolated singular point, and removable singular point. So also we discussed. So thank you for watching. Next topic we will discuss further lecture. Take care.